Happy Sabbath, everybody! This song will remind us never give up. Keep holding on. If you are hopeless, just near to God and will strengthen you. He will help you to stand firm till the end. There are times I know when you get so discouraged, it seems that all hope is gone. But there's one, the only one, who can give the courage in strength to carry on. Never give up, Jesus is coming. It's a darkness night before dawn. Never give up, Jesus is coming. Never give up, keep holding on. This whole world I know can't last much longer, and sin will soon pass away. But my faith in God simply keeps growing stronger. For Jesus is coming someday. Never give up, Jesus is coming. It's a darkness night before dawn. Never give up, Jesus is coming. Never give up, keep holding on. Praise the Lord. Kahit paano. Never give up, Jesus is coming. Never give up, keep holding on. Galatians 6 verse 9, let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time. May God bless you. Have a blessed Sabbath day. God bless.